The flat white is a coffee drink of Australia or New Zealand origin. Known for its smooth texture and balanced flavors between espresso and steamed milk. It is often described as a stronger, silkier version of latte and is a favorite among coffee lovers who enjoy a rich espresso flavor with a gentle touch of milk. There's an ongoing debate about where the flat white was created. Some claim it originated in Wellington, New Zealand in 1989. The story goes that a barista tried to make a cappuccino but the foam collapsed. Then a customer reportedly called it a flat white and the name stuck. While others argue it started in Sydney or Melbourne in the early 1980s. It's said to be a response to the overly foamy cappuccinos of European cafes, with Australians preferring a smooth, creamier milk texture. What are the ingredients of a flat white? It is made with double ristretto for a more concentrated and less bitter taste. The steamed milk was textured into a fine microfoam which is silky and smooth with almost invisible bubbles. Typically served in a small ceramic cup, 150 to 180 milliliters. Many coffee enthusiasts prefer it for its balance, which the milk doesn't overpower the espresso. Who typically prefers the flat white? Coffee lovers who want a strong espresso flavor with soft milk texture. Those who find lattes too milky or cappuccinos too foamy. People who value the bean quality and brewing technique. Its popularity began to grow internally with the expansion of Australia and New Zealand coffee shops. It was added to the menus of major global coffee chains in 2015, which significantly contributed to its worldwide fame.